So one of the biggest secrets in dancing is actually to start feeling the music and dance inside your body. So you have to start using your body. So body is the two things. It's the way you use your spine, which represents your body weight, and also you can start feeling your rib cage with the spine. So you can close your feet and do this spine rocking back and forward, and also start already feeling that rib cage coming out of your body and guiding that spine. You can do it diagonally forward, you can do it side to side, and this should already guide your steps. So for example, if you're dancing a rumba, you want to go side, you will start with your spine, with your rib cage, then the leg, then hip comes out. So you can practice to the side. The same you can do forward. If you want to move forward, you start with the spine, with the rib cage, then leg and hip coming. Also the same backward, but backward you will still drift and use your rib cage forward. Boom. And that's applied to every dance. Let's say if you do a swing and jive, it's the same. If I do my rock step, so I'm using my spine, my rib cage, then I'm doing rock. I replace forward using my spine, my rib cage. I want to do triple step side using my spine, my rib cage. I want to change using my spine, my rib cage. The same, for example, if you do even simple salsa. So you want to feel your spine, feel your rib cage. Here, though, in salsa, you don't have the